South Delhi has exactly one ready-to-move corner basement ground triplex, one, and this is it. W block GK-1, 500 square yards, corner, 3 side open. लोग सालों साल वेट करते हैं कि GK जैसी लोकेशन पे एक कॉर्नर लोकेशन मिल जाए, but then they settle for an inside plot anyway. Look at this elevation behind me. Stone, wooden look, glass, plants falling off the balconies. Nobody is actually shouting for attention here. Look, I'm a luxury property consultant and you expect me to praise for every house that I show. Fine, I'll just show you from inside. But before you go anywhere, at the end of the video, I'll show you a super luxury basement that doesn't feel like a basement. Before I take you inside, let me first show you the motorized parking gate. Parking in South Delhi is a war. You know it, I know it. People stop talking to neighbors over one car. Court cases happen over 2. But in this house, you have 6 car parkings. 4 cars inside this motorized parking driveway and 2 cars you can park outside your own private gate. Look here, double height just for the entrance. This glass door lift, these beautiful marble staircase, all for one family. And here's the thing, this lift lobby is not shared. Other floors enters from the other side of the building. This is the kind of grandeur you get when you buy a 500 corner basement ground triplex like this. This railing on the left, you're standing on the top of the double height you just walked through. Every room on this floor opens through this foyer. This is the passage. Though calling it a passage feels wrong. One ribbon of light running through the whole length. This is the grand living room on the ground floor. 28 feet end to end. I show living rooms all day. Most gets a polite nod. This one gets a pause. This front balcony is 8 feet deep. Most balconies in South Delhi are for drying clothes. This one is for the evening chai. Corner 3 side open triplex in the heart of South Delhi GK-1. This balcony right here holds up the light all through the day. That's the first bedroom of this 500 square yards triplex. The flooring, real wood, chevron. Builders stopped doing this years ago. The reason? Too slow, too costly. Whole wall of glass and the trees outside. New height, new coverage, a corner property. You have all the VRV air conditioning. And when you have a 8 feet running wide balcony along with this bedroom, this is definitely one of the highlight bedrooms, but wait until you see the master bedroom. And the bathroom. You walk through a wall of wardrobes to reach it, just like a hotel suite. One grey stone, floor, walls, and a 10-foot plus counter. Even the taps comes out of the wall, so the counter remains absolutely clean. That's the kind of detailing over here. And the top of the line sanitary fittings by Wilroy & Bosch. Rain shower and the stone bench. Every minute details has been thought over. This kitchen is a chef's dream come true. 15 by 10 feet, super size, super spacious, plus a separate utility area. Designed in lighter tones, so you have wooden elements over here, a cream stone over here, loaded with inbuilt appliances by Bosch. So you have a chimney hob over here. You even have an inbuilt microwave and oven by Bosch. The kitchen has been planned so perfectly that this is just the veggie washer because you have a dedicated dirty utensils area over here in the utility. That's your private glass door lift landing area, and over here we have the much needed puja niche. आप Instagram पे कोई भी घर देखो तो हर कोई कहता है all spacious bedrooms, but सारे bedrooms कोई भी नहीं दिखाता. I will. Same chevron real wooden flooring, a full glass door from floor to ceiling, and a private balcony. That's corner working for you all through the day at night. Look at this marble, black lightning on white, every slab book matched. The pattern flows like one piece. Round backlit mirror and floating counter. The rain shower with a stone slab. And the L-shaped wardrobe sits right here in the dressing nook. And this is just a powder washroom. One stone from floor to ceiling. And the pattern runs around the whole washroom like a wooden grain. A carved marble basin sitting on a stone bench, and not to forget the best of the fittings by Hans Grohe. This is the third bedroom of a 500 square yard corner triplex in GK-1. This is usually where houses go basic, but definitely not this one. A separate seating area and a POP paneled beautiful wall just waiting for the bed. Every bedroom of this house has a full-size balcony along with it. Black marble counter on soft beige stone. See how they flip the stone for every bathroom. A full-size shower cubicle with a stone bench and a window again. One single running European stone on the walls and such intricate stone cladding. The L-shaped walk-in closet with real brass handles. The grand master bedroom of this corner triplex. 2 fans, not one. In fact, this has got 2 air cons also. This is truly a super-sized master bedroom. Has the same chevron real wooden flooring, has a 3D POP feature wall over here. This bedroom is so huge that it has been made like a true suite. So you have a separate seating area and a separate area to place your bed. The bedroom is truly master in every sense. This balcony behind me is just one of the balconies that you get along with this master bedroom. In fact, you have 2 such balconies. And that's the other balcony that you get along with this bedroom. Every bedroom of this house is super spacious, but this bedroom is actually the reason to buy this house. And this master bathroom is honestly the size of a bedroom. And you walk in past the wall of 8-door closet. One rich brown stone running through the bathroom and with a hand-fluted band running all across this bathroom. Rain shower with a real stone bench and a lit niche. A bathroom so huge that even the WC has its own room. Honestly, this isn't a bathroom, it's a suite. Remember, I said that you won't believe that it's a basement. The lift lands here too. Triplex means triplex. Look up. Artificial daylight through a glass roof into a basement of Delhi. Now the size. 34 feet by 35. 1100 square feet, 1 room. And a cast iron staircase. An actual art piece right here in this basement. Dining on one side, bar counter on the other side. Your Diwali party actually found a venue here. A steam sauna. A wellness club. Except the membership is ownership over here. And what a beautiful space to create your own personal gym here. A super-sized sunken courtyard with walls decked up with sand art. A garden below the ground. And if you have come this far, you're definitely not just browsing but actually looking to buy a property like this. The only ready-to-move corner basement ground triplex in all of South Delhi. The number is in description. Just call me and I'll see you for this one.